kabusha kodwa ke lezo ke ngangishilo ngathi meqalelele isonto sizozo saphinde futhi sabona nokungena kuka Floyd Shivambo sekususa umsindo esuka kwi-EFF abanye bathi strategy abanye bathi hayi ingoba ungene ukuthi uyayithanda irevolution ufile ngathi kwabanye kukanjani. It doesn't matter bafethu ukuthi kukephi into ekhona abantu abavuleka amehlo ukubona ukuthi lesi sikhathi esiphila kuso sikhomba ukuthi isikhathi sini kwipolitiki. And there are certain things engifuna ukuyicover thing ukuthi you need to be alerted on okumele sizazi. Oh yes sikhumbuleke neselesele ke bakithi lisulile lihambile bafaka umama so konke lokho kuyizinto esisibheke ngamehla bovu ukuthi izwe liyaphi kuya phambili. But ke there is one part engifuna ukuthi ngikhulume ngo-MK at this present moment just ngithi kuyijulisa amehlo ukuthi uma sithunqamalala he is a master chess player nanokuthi kuyiwaphi apart lento ekhulunywayo ukuthi this is a family stokvel this is whatever's happening family stokvel akwenzakalani kususwa kuyapi sibonile nabanye bekhala eParliament ukuthi baxoshiwe ngokungafanele yonke leyo nto leyo okumele sinake. But there is one part which is even ezoqala i-unfold kungekudala and this is you're hearing from me for the first time. Ngike ngayikhuluma emagroupini ngahambisa ama message. Guys, do you know something ukuthi iDollar leli lase US elithandwa kangaka liyaphela emhlabeni. iDollar is getting thinner by the day. Ngishiso yini lokho I've been involved in projects abanye babonile kuthiwa sengiyimillionaire sengiyibillionaire senginemali. Yes kunama projects kade ngikwenza imali enkulu and this was discovered kwabuye kwaphinda futhi kwaconfirmwa ke by the way nakuma business news ukuthi kune shortage of dollar of US dollar. Yenzeka kanjani? Number 1 kulaba baziyo kwabakuma business bayazi ukuthi there's what we call a number 1 crypto crypto wallet or rather a blockchain number 1 blockchain in the world which is number 1 blockchain in the world which is Binance. Binance started by banning US dollar. So you can't expect ukuthi ama dollars oba khona. Number 2 we've been doing ama business whereby sithola khona ukuthi imali ivina ama bank ase America ase nama limitations yemali ongakwazi ukuyikhipha in US dollar. Ebese kuthi okwesithathu okukhulu kunakho konke okwenza yonke lento lena ukuthi ibe inkinga is because iRussia nazo zonke inhlangano zeBRICS seyikhethe ukulichitha iDollar kodwa basebenzise igolide as their currency as they are working towards ukuthi bakhe icurrency entsha. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo? Uyabona ukuthi siyaphi and siyazi ukuthi uNxamalala he is the father of BRICS and lento ayenza umethizwe kumele libuye manje uyazi ukuthi laba bacheme neWest abazukwazi ukuthi kuqhubeke kube khona imphumela phambili ingakho besebenza ngamandla ukuchitha izinto ezenzakalayo. So we need to be very very careful ukuthi kwenzakalani and lento engishoyo it is very very important ukuthi 1 iDollar liyaphela iDollar alikho kuma bank ase America been doing ama transaction for the past 4-5 months which has to involve ama US dollar. I've been working with ama blockchain amakhulu emhlabeni and there's the challenge ukuthi amanye abheniwe amanye watholakali you have to send it to another format ukuzothole kwenye into. So ngiyayazi into engikhuluma ngayo. I've been working on ngokwama project nangokwama business but lento sengiyithatha ngizoyifaka lana ke manje sibuke ngokwepolitiki yezwe ukuthi uma iDollar lingatholakali kuma blockchain amakhulu uma ama bank ase America kunikeza ama limitation of withdrawing iDollar uma ngabe sesithola eindabeni kuvela ukuthi wonke ama companies eBRICS aseqala umkhakhazo nomdlingazo ukuthi alisuse iDollar as one of the currencies basebenzise igolide and sibonile ukuthi there's another extra 39 new countries who wants to join BRICS and ubaba uNxamalala he's one founder he is the co-founder or is the father of BRICS. So uMK is not only coming to change i-status quo, but they're coming to change the political view globally. So ke ukuba ingxenye yo-MK mawuzoba namehla amancane uzobheka ipolitiki yesisu politic of the stomach. Uma ngabe uzobheka ipolitiki wena ezosuthisa wena, uma uzobheka ipolitiki ezokwenza ukuthi wena ucabanga lento enzeka la uzoba senkingeni. Uyabona ke kumnandi ukuhlala ekhaya elisha kuhlale kunabantu abaphithizelayo nje emzini wakho omusha. So manje ubuye uqalaza ukuthi kwenzakala nobala abafikayo. Siyabonga bafowethu kusilethela into eyangasethunjini kuhle lokho. So yes, so it's very very important ukuthi sikubambe lokhu ukuthi ke we are going to the uncharted waters, and abantu abasafuna ukubambelela sesizwile nokuthi even iGNU iyahlakazeka iyaphela, and siyabona ukuthi yini into eyenzakalayo. Kade nje manje kune report yendaba kagesi ukuthi enekwenzakalani, bethi South Africa iyona number 1 renewable ngokwe renewable energy, because manje babamba bayeka. And ngempela siyazi ukuthi uma befuna ukusihlula endabeni ukubuyela okhethweni sesisebenzela u2026 sisebenzela u2029, but as an astute politician learn ukuthi kunezinto ezideeper which are taking place, and uma wena usala ngemuva ungeke ufinyelele ekutheni uthole lokho esizokubona kwenzeka ezweni. And South Africa ngasithola iselele emuva uma singawujoyina umkhonto, singangeni kuwona, singabi ngama activist kakhulu, ukuthi abantu sibafundise ngezinto ezinye ezithinta i-global politics, because what I'm touching i-global politics, and uma ithinta indaba zeyimali kusho ukuthi kade bekhipha lama-dollar nama-million befaka kosofa, bebazi ukuthi kuza lesi sikhathi ukuthi kwaleli dollar nale mali yabo izogcina ingasasebenzi. And umsebenzi owenziwe uPresident uPutin uyamangalisa, and siyabona ukuthi abantu bayaqala bavuleka amehlo. Ngike ngathintwa ama-China efuna ukukhipha imali ngoba eChina ayisaphuma ama-dollar asasebenzi hlobo, befuna ukuthi sibashintshele sibenzele ngendlela yabo. So I know what I'm talking about ngokwe-space nangokwe-business nangokwama-project engiwaranayo. So ke asikubambeke lokhu bafowethu. This is the life esizoya kuwona. The latest update sibonge kakhulu kwi-Psyche South African Interfaith and Religious Council. Last week bikade iyolontsha eMpumalanga, ngitholile report kubabungema. They went to Limpopo, they went to Northwest, and bayophelela eGoli last week Friday. Angakababoni abaphathi bami usihlalo nonobhala nabo bonke, but ngizwile indaba ezimnandi zokuthi it's been chosen ukuthi as they're going through these other provinces kukhethwa 2 leaders azongena ku-national, because kuqiniswa umkhonto. Kubambeke lokho. Siphinde sibonge ukusebenza kwe-workers desk ngokuxazulula inkinga nokusiza abantu ngendlela ezahlukeneyo. So nalokho futhi kuyasiza ukuthi sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But lastly ke okukhulu kakhulu izinto ziyenzeka. Kwaza mkhonto.